What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to Ben Travels TV. And coming up next, we head to Frenchy Stone Crab and Seafood Market in Dunedin, Florida to pick up some delicious, fresh caught Florida stone crab claws. You guys aren't going to want to miss this one. You got to stay tuned. All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified every time we drop a new video. All right, we are in Dunedin, Florida, which is located in the Tampa Bay area. All right, it is just north of Clearwater and Clearwater Beach. We are at Frenchy's Stone Crab and Seafood Market because we're here to pick up some fresh caught Florida stone crab claws. It is Florida stone crab season. Stone crabs, you usually find them throughout Florida waters, especially in the Gulf, but most of the harvest comes from Southeast Florida, the Florida Keys, and Southwest Florida. When searching for where to catch stone crabs in Florida, you might find both lobsters and stone crabs in the same rocks and reefs. There are a lot of regulations. You can't catch, it's illegal in Florida to catch stone crab and keep the whole crab. You have to chop off the claws and throw it back in the water because their claws regrow. All right, so that's how you keep that yearly harvest year over year. All right, and like I said, it is through October to May. All right, now this was shot right at the end of December 2023. We wanted to pick something up for New Year's and have some food. I had previously had fresh stone crab claws at Frenchy's Rockaway Grill in Clearwater Beach a few years back. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can see that video. But as you see, we're here at the market. I said I wanted to pick up some, maybe a few pounds, because they are really expensive, and maybe some other seafood. But they're also popular here with the grouper sandwiches. They have outdoor dining. They can serve you up a meal here. They have wine. They have all types of sauces and seasonings. This place is really cool. Definitely recommend it if you're in the area. Lots of seafood options here. So I'm going to pick some up, and this time I'm going to actually do a boil. I'm going to boil these claws and see what they taste like when they're boiled. I've had them just chilled previously, which they are really delicious that way as well. Now, what this location does, Frenchy's, you'll see all over the Bay Area, especially in Clearwater, Dunedin. You're going to see Frenchy's Bar, Frenchy's Rockaway Grill, Frenchy's Dockside. They're everywhere. If you want to know more about the history, check out my other video at Frenchy's Rockaway Grill in Clearwater Beach. All right. They do a stone crab festival that they have that is pretty big. I'm probably going to check that out next year. But anyways, guys, check out the video. I ended up picking up a pound of the jumbo claws and a pound of the large claws. And as you guys can see, the prices, it was 52 bucks for the colossal and just a little over $48 for the jumbo and 34 for the large. So you're spending almost 100 bucks just for a few pounds. They're really expensive. But all right, guys, I'm gonna head home, start getting some food ready, and we'll start cooking these crabs.
Broccoli. All right. We got some ham here. All right. Ham, rishi, cooking rice. Is already cooked. All right, you guys, so I have stone crab claws, as you guys can see there. Look at those suckers. All right, got about a pound of the small claws. These are delicious. Florida stone crab. It's stone crab season. Okay, got those. All right, and these are, got another pound of the colossal. The jumbo one. All right, for the big, full grown. Look at that there, guys. All right, you guys, so these are the crab claws. All right, these are the jumbo. Look at all that meat just sitting right there on the top. All right, here's another jumbo claw. All right, here's a third jumbo claw. Ooh, lots of meat in here. It's gonna be delicious. This is more than enough for me and my wife. Look at those snappers. And I'm gonna smash them for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna rinse these off.
So I have my minced garlic, Goya brand here, and I have my butter, unsalted sweet cream butter, which I'm going to use for my dipping sauce for the stone crab claws. I also have my kosher salt. I have my Old Bay seasoning. I'm also going to use butter to throw into the pot once I boil these Florida stone crab claws. So this is the first time. I usually boil my crab legs. I've had these just chilled and ate them just fresh right out of the ocean, right? But this time I want to try them boiled with my concoction that I love to use here. Old Bay seasoning, a little salt, hot water, and butter, right? I like to take that salt water taste off of them and see if I can give it a flavor boost with my concoction here. All right, now I also have a cold beverage, one of my favorites, the Presidente, which is a very delicious Dominican beer, which you can find everywhere here in Florida. Check out some of my videos that I have had in the past with these, but let's throw these suckers in the pot and let's try it.
Can you look, buddy? Right here.
All
you guys. So now that we've drained the pot, we did a boil probably for about 4 minutes. I didn't want to overheat them so it doesn't lose the texture and the flavor. And I also put some lemon on it. I'm going to chill it for about a half hour before I crack them, right? And they are hard as a vase, hard as a rock.
Oh my God. Whew. Crack that one. Give me your plate. Let's get the big claw. Oh my God, I gotta hold this sucker down. Oh my God, these nuts are hard. There we go. Dang. Yeah, you can smell it now. Ooh, I took all of it off. Crap. I gotta hurry up. Ooh, this sucker is hard as heck. Yeah, it's like glass, bro.
All right, you guys see me there struggling with the ghetto plastic on my wooden and rubber hammer. All right, I couldn't find the titanium hammer, so I had to go roll with this one. Got to go with what you got. But anyways, you guys see that, like I said, it's hard as a rock. This is the first time I've ever cracked Florida stone crab claws. And man, that stuff can cut you if you make a mistake with getting these open and ready to eat. But I made it work, as you guys can see. Absolutely delicious, guys. I'm telling you, only boil them for, I would say maybe go 3 minutes. Don't go 4 minutes like I did. I'll say maybe even 2 minutes. Make sure the water's super hot. You already have it at a high temperature. Get them out, crack them, get them on the plate, chill them if you want. However you want to do it, right? Everybody has their different style. This way, I thought they were absolutely delicious, but they're delicious both ways. I've had them fresh, not boiled, right out of the ocean, just chilled, and ate it that way, which was good as well. This was delicious. I like a lot of lemon. I like a lot of garlic butter, which is what I made, garlic butter sauce. Delicious, guys. Poured some on top, dipped it in there, and absolutely delicious. You guys got to try it sometime. If you guys don't want to cook it, you can go to Frenchy's and they will serve it for you there, and they will crack them for you as well. You don't have to sit around at the table with a hammer trying to crack these things. They'll crack them for you. They'll prepare it for you. All you got to do is pull that hard shell off and go to work and go to town. But absolutely delicious, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out.
Oh my God. Mmm. 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 Mmm.